Hi, this is Steve from AgMaps. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit some existing sample points. So I'm going to load up a screen. In this case, you can see that I've got a field with some sample points in it. So from here, I want to navigate into the sample point screen. It's got the button that says, sample with the plus signs on it. And you can tell that I go immediately into the sampling screen, which is, tracking my movements. Not exactly conducive to editing a screen that's, I'm in Michigan. It's a field that's in Illinois. So, makes it kind of difficult. So what I want to do is I want to turn off the tracking mode. So I put that into pause. I hit the pause button. And from here, I should be able to, navigate over. I'm pretty far away. Here's Michigan. And here's my field way over in Illinois. So I can zoom in on it. So if I wanted to edit any of these points, all I have to do is touch it. Let's say point number 2. Brings up sample point number 2. You can see by the elevation, this is a field that I pretty much copied over from map window. Let's see. And I can make any edits I want. Write the comment. If I wanted to delete this point outright, I would just change the sample ID to 0. I'll show you that in a second. Let's see. So I close this. Now I have I've just edited that point. You can see sample 2. If I wanted to, let's say, delete sample 6, I go out and change that to 0. Close it, and you can see sample 6 has now been deleted. Now, another thing that you can do if, let's say you've copied over another field or a field from a different season into this one, and you now want to use the sample points as target points, you want to drive out there and take a new sample, you can do that, and without actually having to create points, you could just relocate the existing points. So let me show you how to do that. From here, I want to resume my tracking. So now I press the play button and it resumes tracking. I'm back here in Michigan. Now, let's just say that I've now driven out to a point where I want to sample again. I hit the relocate button, which is that plus sign with the circle and the arrow. And hitting that brings up the closest sample point to my present location and allows me to edit it, put in whatever comment I want if I want one. You can see the elevation, the date, time, and the position has been updated. I close it, and now I've moved that sample point to my present location. Now if I want to pause it again, I can zip back out to where that field is. You can see I did sample 3. And if I zoom in on that location, you'll see kind of sample 3 has now been relocated to my present position. So you would utilize that, like I said, if you copy over a past field and you want to sample those exact same points, but your position might be slightly off. You just relocate the previous point to your current point and pull from there. Another feature on this particular screen is the delete all. If for some odd reason I'm out there pulling samples and I want to get rid of them all, or if I've copied them over from a previous season, I want to get rid of them. I come into this screen, I just hit the trash can. Trash can will confirm that you want to delete them. Say yes, poof, all gone. So that's how you edit sample points.